Hello guys, on my previous video you have seen how to install Anaconda on Mac OS. If you haven't watched it yet or need help to install, you can check out that video. The link is provided in the description below. In this video, we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook on Mac. So this is basically an Anaconda navigator interface in which you can see various tools that Anaconda provides. So here you can find some tools which comes pre-installed with your Anaconda distribution, which has launch button beneath it, like Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook and so on. And then there are also some tools that you can also install like PyCharm, RStudio, Orange and so on. These tools are under install button. Let's start with launching Jupyter Notebook. I will click on launch button and then it will open the terminal. This will launch the Jupyter Notebook on your default browser. My default browser is Chrome. So it will launch to Chrome. Here you can see various folders in the Jupyter Notebook named as application, desktop, documents, downloads, movies and so on. You can create a new folder by clicking new button on the right side of Jupyter Notebook, where you can click new, then click on folder. You can see the new folder is created, which is untitled. Click on untitled folder. Then you can see as this folder is created new, you can't see any notebook list in this, it's empty. Now you can create your Python file on this notebook by clicking Python 3. It will redirect to a new Chrome folder, new Chrome window, where you can type anything you want, 7 plus 4. It will hit enter. Since you have hit only return, it won't return anything. You have to click shift and then return. It will return the output. Since it's working fine, you can see the output. Your notebook is fine, everything is okay. You can rename this file as first Python problem. Hit rename. You can see that the first Python problem is created. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.